In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell on Twitter. We're going to walk through a simple, practical way to set up your profile and your posts so that anyone who discovers you on the platform can quickly find your store or product and buy from you. First, open your browser and go to your X or Twitter home dashboard. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to sell from. This is important because everything you set up here will be connected to this specific profile, including the link to your store. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a column with different icons and menu items. Look for the one that says Profile and click on it. This takes you to your public profile page, which is what potential customers will see when they click on your name or picture. Once you're on your profile page, look for the Edit Profile button. It's usually near the top of the page, around your profile picture and header image. Click on Edit Profile to open the profile editing window. This is where you can update your display name, bio, and other key information. Now focus on the bio field. This short piece of text is powerful because it's one of the first things people read when they land on your profile. Click into the bio field and type in your store URL or a direct product URL. You can keep it simple. For example, a short description of what you sell, followed by your link. If your link is long, consider using a URL shortener so it looks cleaner and is easier to read. When you're happy with your bio and your link is in place, look for the Save button in the profile editor and click on it. This will update your profile so that anyone visiting your page now sees a clear path to your store or product. Next, let's create a post that promotes your offer. From your profile or home feed, click on the Post button. This opens the Composer window where you can write your message. Click into the text field and write a clear, engaging caption that explains what you're offering. Be specific about the value, what the product is, who it's for, and why it helps. At the end of your caption, add the URL to your store or directly to the product page. When you're done, publish the post. Now your profile and your content are both working together to drive people from Twitter straight to your store.